Good morning, Left at 50s. I am here in my sunny kitchen in Studio City, California, because I'm about to try something new. A very small pan where you can make just a few eggs, and supposedly and hopefully you will not break the yolk. I'm wondering if I should break the egg right on the pan or break it in a bowl and pour it in. It does not say whether you need to add oil to this pan or if it's just a totally non-stick pan on its own. There's no directions. I'm cracking the egg into it, thinking that might be a good technique. And let's see how long it takes to cook this little guy. Sorry I have to bend, I couldn't figure out the camera thing. I do not know if the flame is too high or, oh no, shoot, I just turned it higher instead of lower, sorry. Just like me, I'm lower, waiting for it to cook, and, ooh, I better I'm grabbing a spatula. It's too big for the pan. It seems to be loose. I didn't think about that. I may have slightly wrecked it by doing that. Wouldn't it be nice if something was just sunny side up and perfectly cooked and delicious? Ooh, it's nice and loose in the pan. Do you see that? I flipped it, as you can see. There's no broken yolk. It's perfectly the right size to cook one egg. So I'm gonna grab a plate. It's just a second later, and unfortunately when I went to transfer the egg out of the tiny pan, it stuck. This is my egg yolky breakfast sandwich, but we tried our best.